The Spyderco police model is one of the most iconic folding knives ever created. Now, this venerable design takes another quantum leap forward by combining the refined features of the 4th generation Police 4 with the advantages of lightweight, injection molded handle construction. Its full flat ground VG10 stainless steel blade is housed within a molded, fiberglass reinforced nylon handle featuring non-slip, bidirectional texturing. Skeletonized stainless steel liners nested within the handle provide impressive structural strength and anchor the knife's sturdy backlock mechanism and its versatile 4-position pocket clip.
The Heiho folder designed by James Williams comes with a high-carbon stainless steel blade with a satin finish. The 3.125-inch dual-grind modified Tonto is based on a classic samurai blade design, providing exceptional penetration and slicing performance. The blade is also available with exclusive patented VEF serrations. The stainless steel interframe is built tough, and the polished G10 scales round out the handle of this defensive folder. The knife also has a stainless steel locking liner, which when used with our lock safety, turns the folder into a virtual fixed blade. The lock safety mechanism features easy one-handed closing. Our patented outburst-assisted opening mechanism enables a smooth, fast, one-handed deployment for emergency situations. CRKT knives and tools are fully backed by our limited lifetime warranty. James Williams' design provides the solution when personal and professional security discretion is.
The 0022, a Tim Gallion design. At 4.75 inches in overall length, the 0022 is ZT's smallest model in production. It operates on KVT ball bearings with a flipper tab. The 0022 features a carbon fiber front handle, stonewashed titanium back handle, and blue anodized titanium tube spacer. The 1.8-inch blade is made of ultra-premium CPM 20CV steel with a stonewashed finish. The pocket clip is a reversible tip-up carry. To keep the blade securely open, it uses a titanium frame lock with hardened steel lock bar insert. The smallest knife in the ZT lineup is aptly named after one of the smallest firearm calibers.
The original Manix 2 Lightweight was the winner of Blade Magazine's coveted Most Innovative American Design Award. It combined the full-service cutting performance of the popular Manix 2 with a revolutionary lightweight handle molded from tough FRCP. This elite expression of the Manix 2 Lightweight combines its weight-saving advantages, full-service cutting power, and the strength of the ball-bearing lock mechanism with the enhanced edge retention and corrosion resistance of CPM Spy 27. This remarkable steel, enhanced by the amplifying effects of cobalt and the state-of-the-art crucible particle metallurgy process, is produced exclusively for Spyderco. The blade's leaf-shaped profile flows seamlessly into the lines of the handle while providing both a 4-finger choil and an understated thumb ramp. The blade's 14mm trademark round hole makes one-handed deployment with either hand swift and positive.